Hello to all of you. Myself, Dr. Pariti Jain, neurophysiotherapist, antenatal and postnatal care expert, founder of Physio and Pain Out. I am here to give you some 9 tips to improve concentration in kids. So let's get started. Tip 1: Exercise. Exercise has been shown to impact both attention and performance in school. If your kids find exercise boring, physical sports can be a good alternative. Tip number 2: Healthy breakfast. A good breakfast has been shown to have numerous benefits, including achieving balanced diet, better cognitive development, good behavior, enhanced performance in schools, including mathematics. Tip number 3: Positive parenting. Encouraging and motivating can directly benefit the child when it comes to concentration. Negative reinforcement will impact the child's ability to concentrate negatively. Tip number 4: Music. Research shows that music helps children concentrate. Ability to concentrate has two parts: conscious parts, where the individual directs his mind to the task at hand, and unconscious part upon which the individual has very little control. Music might play an important role in controlling the unconscious part. Tip number 5: Avoid electronic gadgets. Excessive screen time on electronic gadgets have negative consequences on child's ability to concentrate. Divert your child's attention from electronic gadgets by channelizing the child's energy towards the other healthy pursuits. Second, be firm on the decision to not give electronic gadgets to your child. Tip number 6: Set routines. Setting a daily routine will help your child to be more independent, confident, and reduce tantrums. It will improve kids' journal behavior, discipline, and concentration. Tip number 7: Encourage a passion that your child loves. Research indicates that encouraging your child to pursue what he or she loves to do can help in increasing the concentration skills. Tip number 8: Mood plays an important role. Mood is an important element of concentration for children. A child finds it difficult to concentrate if she or he is upset, overwhelmed, tired, or excited, whereas a calm child is able to concentrate better. Tip number 6: Joint attention. Joint attention is defined as the shared focus of two individuals on an object. Doing activities together with the child help the child concentrate better and enhance the entire experience. And if you want to know more, you can DM me. Thank you, Dr. Paridhi Jain.